Hey, if you follow me on social media, you might have seen a few posts about the Beast. I just wanted to give you a quick intro, a little bit of history before we get started. So it's a 92 D150 with a 318. Got the truck when I was 15. Me and my dad worked on it a little bit before I turned 16. Since I've had it, it's had a paint job, shout out Passion Works, reupholstered seats, and custom interior, which was some fabric I probably bought at Hobby Lobby or something, and used spray adhesive to glue it to everything. I also used a lot of spray paint, like Walmart rattle can bright ass pink spray paint. When we started it up the other day, it actually ran better than we thought it would. It definitely has a fuel leak, so the first thing I'm going to do is drop the fuel tank and replace all the lines. There's also a problem with the front end. I don't really know about it, but my dad has some parts that we have ordered. The shag carpet material is absolutely destroyed at this point. Needs a new tail light, needs tires for damn sure. All the cosmetic issues obviously are going to come after we get it running good. Just want to mention, I am not a mechanic. I grew up being taught how to maintenance my own vehicle. Advice is always appreciated, but please don't be rude. If you see me doing something kind of sketchy, it's probably just because I'm figuring it out as I go. That being said, I will have help from my boyfriend and my dad. For the most part, I really want to do it all on my own because it was my first vehicle and they shouldn't have to suffer for my insane ideas.